The ingredients today for our Ozark Mountain Bigfoot sandwich will be thick sliced bologna, 3 slices of artesian bread, some seasoned onions, jalapeno crispers, cheese, egg, hamburger, tomato, lettuce, jalapeno, and a secret sauce. Well, the secret sauce is nothing but chili sauce, Duke's mayonnaise, and sriracha. Gives it a little kick, and it is nothing but good. We're getting on the grill. Okay, let's get started on our Ozark Mountain Bigfoot sandwich. First of all, we're going to put our hamburgers on there. Right on there, good and hot grill. Do you smell it? That's just a sizzling up there. Let that sizzle on there for a couple seconds on it. We're going to put our onions. I got these onions and I've got them seasoned up real good. We're going to start grilling them on the other side, which I've got turned down to low. All right, folks, so we're going to get these burgers smashed here, get them started out. We got the new Blackstone heavy duty smasher without the lip around it. These are pretty neat. I've used them before. Oh, a little bit of oil. Nice little bit of oil on that. Mash we go. Do that for about 10 seconds on there. One of them. 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 Mississippi. All right. Getting the hamburgers done. We're going to take our bread and we're going to put that on the other side over here. This bread has got that mayonnaise on it, like I said, this artesian bread does, and we're going to brown it real good. And 3 pieces. Right there, that should be getting browned up for us. And guess what? Thick sliced bologna. We're going to throw that dude on the grill too. Now on the bologna, we're going to cut these ends a little bit so it don't curl all up on us. Should be good enough. Folks, this is going to be one daggum good sandwich. Our interesting take on this thing anyway. Look at how brown that bologna is getting already. It is getting browned already, ready for us. Oh man. Hamburger's ready to flip. We're getting ready, folks. How's our bread doing? Oh, not too bad, not too bad. Got to get a little bit browner. Onions are looking real good. We're going to put them over on the heat a little bit. Get that good and cooked up. That's just going to be fantastic. We got one burner completely off here. The middle one here is completely off. These are on high on this side, which I'm turning down now. This is on a medium, and this is on medium now. Toast our bread. Oh yeah, coming along. Daggum thing's hot. Bologna's coming along real good. Burgers are almost done. I'm gonna get our eggs on there real shortly here. turn that completely off for the eggs coming up. Alright, we're pulling our burgers off here, folks. Good and done. Bologna's coming off. You know what, folks? I'm gonna let that bologna go on a little bit more. And I'll be able to put some cheese on there. Now we got to get our cheese on these burgers before we take them off. One American. And 2 Americans. Put them dudes right on there. Let them just get a little bit warm, and we're going to take our bologna off now. See how our bread's doing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Looks real good. Pieces of bread off of there because it's nice and toasted. Look at that. How's that for a toasted bread? Little hot spot right there, but that's okay. It's going to be good, good, good. We'll wait on this other one to get cooked up here. Looks like our burgers are melting that cheese all right on there. So we'll get them off. Onions are doing fine. Tell you what, I'm gonna a little bit of oil on those onions. How's the bread looking? Looking good. 2 more minutes on there. No, not that long. 30 seconds more and we're going to take that off of there. Turn my grill completely off right now. Just waiting on this and we'll cook our... Oh, looking good, looking good. These are going to be so fantastic. This is one heck of a different kind of sandwich that we're doing today. I've never did this before, but you know what? The wife says, hey, why not? So I said, hey, why not? So that's what I'm doing. Okay, that bread is nice and brown for me. That'll be good and crispy too. Look at that. Look at that. Nice. This artesian bread is really, really nice. Let me take this onion, gonna flip them over on the side over here that's turned off. We're gonna get our our eggs on there, cook them up. The rings going. Get a bit of oil in them. Want these eggs some side up. Want to have these eggs some side up. Make them really nice. Got them cooking real slow. Pull these onions off now. They look like they're caramelized really nice. Let's see if we can get that ring off there. Oh yeah, come off real fine, real fine. How about that next one? Look at that, come right on off of there. Okay, we got those rings off. We're gonna Dome these with a little bit of ice. Get that sizzling and steaming in there to cook the top of those eggs for us. Can you hear it? Shouldn't take but just a minute or two. Oh, looking good. Looking good. Oh yeah, look at those eggs. Nice, nice, nice eggs. Take those off. Okay, so we've got everything prepared now. We're going to go in the house and we're going to build this here sandwich that we're making, which is an Ozark Mountain Bigfoot sandwich. Debbie came up with the name. I'm just executing what she told me to do. We'll see you inside. Okay, let's build our Ozark Mountain Bigfoot sandwich. We're going to take a piece of that bread. We're going to put some of this sauce on there. And we're going to be liberal with it. It's just pretty good stuff. I made enough so we can taste it. All right, so we've got some on that one piece of bread there. We are going to take some lettuce and lay down 3 slices of nice pieces of lettuce there. Going to throw some tomato right on top of that. I got 4 slices of tomato because it's a small tomato out of our garden, but it's nice, it's good. Then we're going to top it with we're going to top it with a piece of bologna. We're going to take that bologna and we're going to slice it in 2, like that. But it's pretty. Right there, that piece. Right there, that piece. Right on there. Then we are going to take another piece of bread and we are going to put some more of this good stuff on it. I want to make sure that we can taste this. Shoot, tell you what, I'm gonna get something else. I have some spoon in it. What do you call this thing? I don't know. But there we go. There we go. Then we're going to put that piece of bread on top of that one right there. Oh, but wait, we're not done yet. We're not done yet. We're going to take our onions that we had that I cooked out there. We're going to put 1 slice there and 1 slice over there. Now these onions smell so good. Can't hardly beat it, man. Then we got our burger on that side and a burger on this side like that. And then we're going to top it with our egg. Pretty egg. Didn't even break that yolk. See that? Didn't even break that yolk. Now you would think we would be done with that now. Oh, no, no, no. We got avocado to put on there. Right on top of that egg. And I'm telling you, don't slide off of there on me. Maybe I should have put that down below. Doesn't matter. We're going to get it on there. And the avocado is on our eggs. Oh, this is looking so good, folks. Now then, 1 more piece of bread. We want to put the rest of our sauce on there. Put it on the wrong side. Well, let's just turn it over then. Put it on the right side. A little extra sauce so ain't gonna hurt nobody. I made just about enough of that. And there we have it, folks. Our Ozark Mountain Bigfoot sandwich. Now the sandwich has 2 burgers on it, slice of bologna that's about a little over a quarter-inch thick, lettuce, tomato, avocado, hamburger, cheese, and egg. And that's about it. Hey, pretty good stuff. And we're going to get into it. Okay, folks, we're going to cut into this Ozark Mountain Bigfoot sandwich, and let's see what it looks like. Oh, the egg is just running out. Oh, yeah. Holy moly. I don't know if I can turn this dude around. Look at that thing. Look at that. Is that pretty sandwich or what? Now then, how is somebody going to get their mouth around that to eat it? Oh wait, Debbie, you want to do it?
That's funny.
Okay. Let me give this a shot here, folks. Here we go. I'm going to have to look at that egg dripping. Can you get that egg dripping on?
Oh yeah, you can see it.
Look at this thing. Holy mugger. Mmm. Tastes pretty good. A little damn messy. You know what? That's pretty dadgum good sandwich. That's more than a sandwich, so Bigfoot would have to eat this, I'm dadgum sure. Damn, look at that coming out of my mouth. But that's okay. We had fun doing it. It is a real good tasting sandwich. Try it sometime if you want. Might want to take a little bit of stuff and take it off of there, maybe the extra bread or something. But to me, it's pretty darn good. Thanks for watching, folks. Subscribe if you would. Like us if you would. And may the good Lord take a liking to you.